Hey guys, welcome to rpafeed. In this video, I'll be taking you through the solution of challenge 2 bot games 4. Let's first understand what was the challenge. So as you can see on my screen, this is the shipment processing challenge page where they have given the use case, what you exactly have to do. So for example, if you see on this page, there are 6 records for PO numbers, and you have to generate, you have to get the tracking ID and the shipment type. You have to fill those details over here. And how you need to do that? There are two applications, one called ProcureEase and one tracking number generator. So this is ProcureEase. What you have to do is you have to search this PO in this ProcureEase app. And once you found the record, right, you need to extract all these details and fill in over here in the tracking number generator application. You have to fill all the information and then click on generate. Once you have entered all the valid information, this tracking number will be generated, and then you have to copy this tracking number and fill in over here along with the shipment type. Shipping type is determined based on the order value. So if your order value is 300 or less, then ground shipping is chosen. For order values equal to 600 or greater than that, express plus is selected, and for all other it is express. Okay, so this is the overall challenge. One catch here is once you get the state information, right, in this ProcureEase you get the state as in a code format, not whereas here in this application you need to select the state, the entire state name. There is no state code available. So that's where we'll be using chatgpt, or rather I would say GPT-3 in order to achieve that. So we'll be passing the state code and getting the state name, so that we can select the state name from this drop down. Okay, it's a quite simple use case, just like it involves 2 or 3 applications like which we have to refer. So hope you have understood the requirement, and let's proceed with the solutioning part of it. So as you can see here, I have added the error handling part, then I have added a step to launch the 3 URLs. So here I am launching these 3 application URLs. Okay, one is for the challenge page from where we would be starting our bot. It will pick all the PO numbers, it will go to ProcureEase, it will search that, and then it will enter all those details over here and generate the tracking ID. Okay, let me go back here. Yeah, so after that I have looping it for 6 times. Since there are 6 PO records, I'm looping it for the 6th time, getting the reading the values of the PO number values, right, and yeah, and then I'm extracting the PO details from the ProcureEase application. Okay, I'm navigating over there. So over there you have to just click on the search button, and you have to, whatever PO you have got from the previous web page, you need to enter that, and you need to extract that information in the table format, right? So this is how you extract it. Get table, and you extract the table in and you store that in the data table. I have created DTPO details data table. So I have all this information. For example, now I am querying this PO number. So this all that information I have it in a data table. So then you can query that data table, and you can one by one you can you have all that information. One by one you can fill in those details over here and click on generate button, right? So this will generate you a tracking number. We will see that in action. Okay, and then I have used here generative AI, which is OpenAI GPT-3. Over there I'm passing my API key, model, and the prompt. Get the state name of USA for the state code. So whatever state code I am getting it from here, right? So whatever is the state code that I'm passing, and I'm expecting an output. I'm passing the state code, and I'm expecting the output in state variable, s state variable. So I'm not expecting any JSON output over here. I'm just expecting a plain text state name kind of output. So that will give me the state name, and then I'm passing that state name to be selected from the drop down. So over here you can see the drop down. So suppose OH is for Ohio, so it will go ahead and select here Ohio, right, and proceed further. Similar to that, I'm pasting all like I'm filling in all other details and then clicking on the generate. Here I'm choosing the shipping type based on the conditions that was given. If your order total is less than equal to 300, then we are selecting the ground shipping. If it is greater than equal to 600, then express, otherwise and express plus, and otherwise express shipping. Here after that we are capturing, we are filling on the shipping type information. Here we are selecting the shipping type based on the order total value. Okay, and after that we are clicking on the generate button to get the tracking number. Once we are able to generate, like once we click on the generate button, we need to capture the tracking ID. That's what I'm doing over here. I'm capturing the tracking number so that I can update it to the shipment or challenge page, right? Shipment processing challenge page. Over here I can update the tracking number and select the shipping type. So that's what I'm doing over here. And at the last, here I am clicking on the once I'm done with all the, so for one record I have done this, then I'll be repeating it 6 times, as there are 6 PO number records, right? So once everything is done, and I'll be clicking on the submit button to get the results. So this is how I have built it. So let me run this and show you the demo. I am now running the bot. It is notifying the device. So it is now launching the page. It has launched all the 3 URLs. It's looking for the PO number and filling all the details in the tracking number generator, and it will now generate the tracking ID, and it has already pasted that tracking ID. So it will keep on doing that for all those 6 PO records, right? So see that the state number, based on the state code, we are fetching the entire state name using GPT-3. Once all these information is filled, it will click on submit button on the main page, which will give us the accuracy and the time taken to complete this. So 51 seconds. Thanks for watching.